It was like amazing feel for me because, you see them first. I see him how he is really bad, and then I see that he is like smiling on his face. Even his lady was like really thankful for. They sent me really messages, like a lot of messages on Facebook, like thank you for everything. You are my guardian angel.
Iż-żagħżugħ mill-Maċedonja Vlatko Jordanovski se jibqa' jiftakar għal dejjem li huwa wieħed mill-eroji li grazzi għalih u għall-Malti Jeffrey Schembri, John u Gail Kelly setgħu jirritornaw lejn l-Iskozja għand il-familja tagħhom.
All of a sudden, one big wave came, hit me round about the waist, maybe hips, swept me off my feet and tumbled me around like a rag in a washing machine. And dragging me out to sea.
Fl-istess waqt u mingħajr ma rrealizza anke martu kienet inġarret mill-mewġ.
Not aware John had been swept in round the corner. I was sitting on a stone pillar. 1 minute there, 1 minute, next minute drowning under the water. I had my rucksack on. Thankfully 2 men managed to pull me out.
Vlatko kien ma' tfajla tiegħu fl-inħawi ta' Blue Grotto meta sema kommozzjoni u nduna li l-koppja barranija kienet qed tereq.
It was huge waves coming, and they are going under the water, they are coming out, and then I decide like I need to help, and then I jump. So I was fighting with the sea, with the waves, like 5 minutes. I cannot reach them. Jeffrey was doing everything. I'm glad that you have here like that type of person in Malta who can really help in that situation.
Vlatko kien wieħed minn dawk li laqgħu l-appelli tal-koppja John u Gail Kelly biex isibu lil min salvhom bħalu Jeffrey Malija li ltaqa' mal-koppja mill-ġdid qabel it-titjira tagħhom.
Il-ħajja xi ħaġa imprezzabbli. Tista' tagħmilha fil-ħajja li ssalva l xi ħadd. Jekk taf li ċert li ħajarna dejjem hemm riskju dejjem ta' sata ġiet ħażina. Imma dak il-mument ma jkollok ċans tieħu deċiżjoni u m'hemmx x'tistenna. Issa mbagħad dejjem tilab karta tkun hija. Imma tengaġġi tajba. Imma Angelo Kustodju naħseb fuq għeni dak il-ħin. Daw il-persuni din ħajjina hawnhekk sejr lura lejn darhom.
Fl-inċident huma sofrew diversi ġrieħi bl-arm il-qut ikun John li spiċċa jagħmel diversi punti madwar ġismu. Minkejja dan jibqgħu grati għall-għajnuna li sabu u fuq kollox iħarsu l-qudiem biex jirritornaw f'Malta.